Hello everyone!
Hello!
This is Ava. She wants to help me. It is that time again. It is the Fabric of the Month reveal.
Yeah!
Fabric of the Month is $25 a month.
I don't have pink and Mommy don't have blue.
And it gets you 3 yards of solid fabric. 3 yards. It could be either 3 yards of one fabric, 1.5 yards of 2 different fabrics, or 1 yard cuts of 3 separate fabrics, all solids. So let's get going and unwrap our package.
Here's my package. Here's my package. I got this from my mama.
I love this. So
this is my
a pointel knit. So it's 50% horizontal stretch. Hold on, Ava. Can you sit down, please, my helper? Oh, okay. So she wants to show you. This is the pink pointel knit. What is a pointel, you ask? It is a knit that is similar to a lacy look. It has holes in it.
Yeah, holes.
And it's very stretchy horizontally and really soft.
And
look at the nice drape. Perfect for summer. And then here is the blue. This one's gorgeous. I think that I'm going to make a workout top out of this or something. But if you're interested in signing up for the Fabric of the Month Club, check the details around this video and sign up because you can't go wrong. You always need solids, and this is a great way to try something new that you've never done before. Have a great day. Bye. You want to say bye?